Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group at once. If you're using WhatsApp groups and want to get everyone's attention at once, instead of tagging people one by one, you can use the Tag Everyone feature. This makes it easy to notify all group members in a single message, so nobody misses your update or announcement. It works just like tagging individual members, but saves time when you want the whole group to see your message. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Then, open any group where you want to tag all the members. Now, go to the message box and type. Normally, you can select members one by one from the list that appears. But if you want to tag the whole group at once, simply type everyone. After that, send the message. All members of the group will be notified at the same time, just like when you tag them individually. If you want to mention someone separately, type Tao again, and then select that specific person from the list. This way, you can either tag the entire group together or mention people individually, depending on your need. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.